Before we start, just want to let you know that this episode is voiced by my wonderful husband, Ben. Enjoy!
Good morning. Welcome to Everyday Noms. Today, we're jumping on that bandwagon because we're making Keto Dalgona coffee. Initially, I was pretty skeptical about this coffee thing. Is it just going to be the next hot thing, and is it going to go away in a week? But curiosity got the better of me, and I decided to try it out, since I have all the ingredients at home anyway. So, please try it out. I'm sure you'll be pleased. Here are the ingredients. First, boil some water. Place the instant coffee and monk fruit sweetener in a bowl. Once the water is boiled, add it into the bowl. Whisk the concoction on high. Watch the magic happen as it gets super fluffy. Once it holds its shape, you can stop mixing. Pour half a cup of heavy cream and 1/2 cup of almond milk into each cup. Scoop the fluffy coffee and divide it into 2. And that is all. I am so addicted to this coffee, and it works with instant decaf coffee too, so I can drink it after dinner if I want. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.